I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars.
Hello everybody, welcome back to this little vlog. Welcome to my vlog. It's been a long time since vlogging. It's been a good few weeks. So yeah, the reason why I haven't been vlogging is because of uni. Uni has been very, very hectic, and I have already said that in previous vlogs from like a month ago and stuff. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog. But yeah, uni is coming to an end now. It is scary, it's emotional, I'm excited, I'm happy for the next chapter of my life. It's scary, but at the same time I'm really excited because I don't really know what's coming. I'm looking at graduate jobs because obviously, you know, that's what I need to do now. That's what you do after uni, you look for graduate jobs, go into jobs that you've been at uni for, you know, or do you take a year out, like there are different ways and things what I can do because I did want to go into teaching, but the thing what's putting me off teaching is because I love my hair too much. I'm gonna have to dye it a normal colour. But no, I would have to do PGCE or like a skit course or something like that. A skit course is like equivalent to a PGCE, but you are learning more on the go rather than PGCE. You still have to go to uni and go to like lectures and things like that, and you are on placement, as where a skit course you are learning on the job. So I wanted to do that, but at the same time I'm just like, that's another year at uni and I just want a year out. I spent 5 years at college and now it's 3 years at uni, and now I'm coming to the end. I've done my dissertation. I'm so happy. Dissertation is done. I cannot tell you the relief if you're coming up to dissertation, because some of my friends have told me their friends haven't got their dissertations in, while one of my friends isn't till May. Like we've literally 1st of May today. Whoa, hi 1st of May. 1st of May today, and hers is in, I think it's like mid-May. It's literally like 2 weeks away or something like that, maybe a week and a half away. And a lot of my friends, theirs aren't due until June, some in July. So yeah, that's pretty crazy, like how different courses, different universities and things like that, they all bring in different dissertation deadlines. Mine has already been and gone. Mine was the 19th of April, so that's done, it's dusted. I did have 2 other friends, theirs was in like a month before mine, so it all depends on your course, but I cannot tell you the relief you get for handing in your dissertation. It is insane. Like, I have been so much happier since handing in my dissertation. Like before my dissertation, I guess I just felt like this huge weight on my shoulders, like huge weight, like oh my god, I'm gonna have to get it done. I'm just happy. I'm back vlogging again. Also some exciting news. So I have been thinking, this is why I wanted to sit down and talk to you. I've been thinking, because I have a little bit more time on my hands now, which I'm very happy about. Don't get me wrong, I'm like, hi, yay. Obviously I still work weekends and things like that. I still am at uni because I've still got like a 5,000 word assignment to do, which is half my dissertation, and I still got an exam to prep for, this is all like happening within like the next 2 weeks. So I think like my last exam is the 18th of May, and I think my assignment's in the 17th of May, so literally I only have like 18 days left at uni anyway. So I have been thinking I have a little bit more time on my hands now, and on Friday, which I'll leave up here, I uploaded a video of me playing the new Harry Potter gaming app, and I'm not really like a big gamer, I wouldn't say that. But I have like a few people at work who've like said, why don't you just do games on your channel as well? That'd be pretty cool, because I am into my games, but I'm just not good at them. I've been thinking, because I love uploading, the reason why I make videos is because I like talking to a camera, as you all know, and I like to edit. That's the main reason. I love editing thumbnails. I just love editing. Like literally, I just love that you're creating something of your own, and that's what I love so much about it. And I just love talking to front of camera. So I've been thinking, are we ready? What if I upload 2 videos a week of like my normal videos, like beauty and clothing and hair, my general, what I love, just everyday life things, I really want to do that, which are normally on a Wednesday and a Sunday. So if I do that, and then I've also been thinking I still like to vlog, but because instead of doing weekly vlogs, I kind of want to split it up. So do a Monday and a Tuesday and upload that on a Wednesday possibly, and then do a Wednesday, a Thursday, and if I do anything on a Friday, brilliant, I'll upload it a Friday. Because I don't really do too much on a Friday, so I just thought maybe I can just do a Wednesday and a Thursday, upload on a Friday. So that's 2 vlogs a week as well, so that's 4 videos a week. And then I also thought, but I really like these little gaming apps. I really like the way my Harry Potter one turned out. I really liked what I did and what I created, and I have been looking and playing around what else I can do, and I'm like, okay, I can maybe edit it a little bit different. So I have filmed another Harry Potter one today, which actually should be going up tonight, but something happened in the game and now I'm waiting. So I'm like currently tidying my house, like waiting for my life to build back up again pretty much. What if I also upload 2 videos a week of gaming? Not gaming, it's just using a gaming app. It's easier that way. I am enjoying it. I really like the way the Harry Potter one turned out. It has a few views, like 20 odd views is a lot for me. It is. It's not as much as my Wish haul, which is like 12,000 views. But yeah, I really want to do that. So I'm thinking, what days do I upload them? So I'll be doing 2 videos a week of normal videos, 2 videos a week for vlogs, and 2 videos a week for gaming. So I'll be uploading 6 videos a week. And I really am like looking forward to it. Like I've really thought long and hard about it. Like, okay, so what days do I do that on and what days do I do that on? So I do think gaming ones could be good on a Tuesday and a Thursday. And then a vlog on a Wednesday, a vlog on a Friday, and then maybe a normal video on a Monday and a normal video on a Sunday. I've been really thinking about that like a lot. Just like I'm really nervous because I'm like I don't even care for the views. I don't care for that. Like I'm just happy that I'm doing this in my spare time. Like it's like I'd definitely try and upload like 6 videos a week. That is my ultimate aim. Like that's a lot. That is a lot. That's just like, because Saturdays and Sundays I am at work. You know, I guess I could do it all, like, and have the Monday off. But no, I think that's. I guess I could do Saturday and a Sunday my normal 2 videos. It's just working my way around it. What days suits me? When can I film all these videos? I guess Mondays would be my best bet. I'm just thinking about it now. Let me know what you think. Let me know. I'm just into everything. I know a lot of people, like the higher YouTubers, they have like their own like channel, like, you know, something what I'd just generally talk about, something to do. Then they have the vlogging channel, my vlogs, what I'm doing right now, and then they have a gaming channel, which is what games go on. I don't have 3 channels, I just have the one because I don't even have like 200 subscribers. There's like no point. So yeah, I think I might do that. Please let me know what you think about this. If you want to see more. Good morning, happy Wednesday. So I've literally just got up. I wanted to be in the garden today, get rid of all my little weeds and things like that. But no, it's raining. It's raining, pouring down with rain.
We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. last night. Come on, baby, take my hand.
Yo, so it's Wednesday evening. I haven't really vlogged too much today. Pebbles, come on. I wanted to end the vlog anyway. Oh, look how gross I look. Wanted to end the vlog anyway when I wanted to drop after I dropped Ben off home. Drop Ben off at work, and I thought I'll end my vlog at home. Anyway, Ben's already at work. I didn't take him. I just went to my car. I've not been in my car all day because I haven't needed to go anywhere. Ben went to my car earlier on to go get his Monster energy cans. Fair enough. So, and he didn't notice anything wrong with my car. We've just been to it now, and I'm walking on the other side of my car. I come to my driver's side, get into the car, about to turn on the engine, look at my wing mirror, and you never guess what? Somebody has gone too close to it and has completely knocked it off. This last month, I've had so many bad car troubles in this area. It is unreal. I'm absolutely livid. Like, I am fuming. Absolutely effing fuming. I can't believe it. I honestly cannot believe it. The worst thing is about my area, there's barely any parking. So it just gets to the point where people actually start parking on so you've got like our garden, the path, a little grass area, and then the road. People actually do start parking on the grass area sometimes because it's just like you'd have to park like in the next street or 2 streets away or like halfway down the street, and if people are up early in the morning, it's not the best. Fair enough, it's getting lighter now in the mornings, brilliant. It's getting it's getting darker a little bit later on, brilliant. But it's just like the parking around my area is ridiculous, and a lot of people do have drives, but for the ones who don't, obviously people having drives, it just only fingers up even more, like it takes up more space. But then also the road is so thin, you have to, if there's a car coming, you have to stop, and then like, you have to really like take your time with it. People who don't really know the area too well just go so fast, and we do get a lot of like boy races, shall I say. So someone has literally, I was parked, like, so for you guys, I was parked this way. Clearly they've come this way and like somehow swerved in my car. I'm not even like parked too far out. I've got some photos, I'll leave them like somewhere around here, but I literally didn't even park too far out. But to be honest, if I'd hit somebody's wind mirror, fair enough, to be fair, put my hand up, I've like tapped them sometimes, like, oh shit, I've just, I've knocked the wind mirror, like I've got a bit too close, like waiting. But this is in different streets around in Hull, because we've got many like these. So I'm just like, oh god, I've just tapped the mirror, and I do check, like I stop and I check, I'm like, oh god, I'm okay, I haven't knocked it. Because if I did knock someone like that, like to the point where the mirror's hanging off, everything's hanging out, like they've scratched my window, they've really gone into my car. Like, I'm surprised my car is okay. Like, there's no scratches anywhere else. It was just the wind mirror and luckily the window. Like, and luckily I think we could literally try and rub it off. I'm just gonna have to get some like window cleaner for it. But I am absolutely, I'm fuming. I'm absolutely furious. I thought, oh yeah, starts my vlogs again, it's gonna be all like happy and perfect. Yeah, no, we're ending today's vlog on an absolute rant, and I'm absolutely fuming. So I do need to put my car in from its MOT anyway. This is getting so baggy. I need to put my car in for its MOT. Fair enough, I was going to do that. I was going to actually ring tomorrow, but looks like I'm going to go straight to the garage tomorrow. So luckily Ben's mum was very nice and came to pick him up to take to work. Luckily she didn't have a drink or anything tonight, and yeah, so yeah, I'm really mad. I'm fuming. I'm gonna go look at wind mirrors and things like that. Ben's off to go get some gaffer tape / duct tape or whatever's the strongest tape possible, because there was no way I was driving with it just dangling, especially when I have to go on a road of like 40 miles per hour. I don't want it like and me getting caught. Because I have no gaffer tape, I thought if I have some gaffer tape I could gaffer tape it up, but I've only got normal sellotape. That's not going to work. So yeah, I'm fuming. But I'm going to end this video here. Please remember to go give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me. If you subscribe to me right now, I'd be so happy, in all honesty. I'd be really happy, because right now I'm so mad and I'm so upset and I want to cry, because I've had 2 flat tyres and now we're smashed up with mirror within a month. Brilliant. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.